Best crypto exchanges, wallets, and all helpful links for traders are in the video description. Welcome, traders and future investors. Let me ask you a simple question. How many of you started trading with the dream of financial freedom, only to find yourself overwhelmed by losses, stress, and unrealistic expectations? If that sounds familiar, you're not alone. Every day, new traders enter the market with the hope of quick profits and overnight success. But here's the truth. Trading is not a lottery ticket. It's a discipline, a craft, and a journey that requires realistic goals and healthy expectations. In today's guide, we'll uncover how to set clear, achievable targets in trading, avoid the trap of false hopes, and build a long-term mindset that leads to real progress. Block 1. Understanding the nature of trading. The first step is understanding what trading really is. Trading is not just about making money, it's about risk management, probability, and consistency. Too often, beginners set goals like, I'll double my account in a month, or I'll quit my job in 6 months thanks to trading. These kinds of expectations are the fastest path to disappointment. Why? Because the market doesn't care about your deadlines. Instead, you must treat trading like a professional skill. Just like a doctor or an engineer spends years mastering their craft, traders must also invest time in education, practice, and emotional discipline. Once you see trading as a long-term career path, not a quick fix, you start setting goals that make sense. Block 2. The power of realistic goals. So, what do realistic goals look like? Let's break it down. Process-oriented goals. Instead of saying, I want to make $5,000 this month, focus on goals you can control. For example, I will stick to my trading plan every day, or I will review and journal all my trades this week. These goals build habits that actually lead to profitability. Percentage targets. Over dollar targets, aiming to make a small percentage on your capital, like 2 to 5% per month, is far more sustainable than chasing unrealistic returns. Professionals don't focus on hitting the jackpot, they focus on compounding steadily over time. Risk-based goals. A powerful goal is simply this. I will not risk more than 1 to 2% of my account on a single trade. This mindset keeps you in the game for the long run because survival is the foundation of success. Remember, realistic goals are about building consistency and discipline, not about hitting big numbers overnight. Block 3. Managing expectations. Now let's talk about expectations. One of the biggest mistakes traders make is comparing themselves to social media gurus who flaunt luxury cars and claim insane profits. This creates toxic expectations and unnecessary pressure. The reality is that even professional traders experience losing streaks, setbacks, and slow growth. That's normal. Your expectation should not be to win every trade, but to follow your system, manage losses, and let probabilities play out over time. Healthy expectations also mean accepting that trading is not a guaranteed income stream, especially in the beginning. Some months will be better than others. The key is to expect volatility, embrace learning curves, and remain patient. Block 4. Building a long-term mindset. Trading success is built on small, consistent improvements. Instead of asking, how much money can I make this week? Start asking, how much better can I become as a trader this month? Here are some long-term mindset practices. Keep a trading journal to track progress and identify patterns. Review your mistakes regularly without judgment. Use them as lessons. Celebrate small wins, like following your plan perfectly, even if the trade was a loss. Focus on skill development, chart analysis, risk management, emotional control. Over time, this long-term mindset helps you grow from a beginner into a professional. And that's where real success happens. Remember, The traders who succeed are not the ones who chase shortcuts, but the ones who build strong foundations and play the long game. If you focus on realistic goals and expectations, you give yourself the best chance to win in the markets. If you found this guide helpful, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and share it with other traders who need clarity and motivation. And don't forget, check the description below for links to the best crypto exchanges, wallets, and other useful resources that will support your trading journey.